Do you live in a college dorm, a small apartment, or maybe in a childhood bedroom? Or are you just starting out with nail art and don't have a big budget? In this video, you're going to find out the essential nail art items you need to create amazing nail art in a small space. I'm back and welcome to Easy Nail Art. In the description box is a link to my blog, which contains a downloadable shopping list for these essential items. First, we'll look at what items you need and what items are versatile. To begin, let's talk about colour. Yes, I have a big nail polish collection, but I don't believe you need one. In the past, I've been floored by the amount of different looks you can create with only a couple of nail polishes. I believe you need a black polish, a white polish, a light nail polish shade, and a dark shade. Black and white are mostly going to be your accent or nail art colors, but they're versatile too. You can put white under a light shade to make it pop more, or maybe you bought one that's a bit sheer or milky, don't waste it. And the same with a dark shade over black. Just a note with white, it can be really difficult to apply and have it look good. A recommendation of a good white is Bright Retreat by Emily DeMolly. I've included a light and a dark shade because we are inherently conditioned by the world around us to change our taste with a change of season. Also, I think these should be cream colors and not special effect polishes like glitter or flaky, as creams are way more versatile. Plus, it's easier to dress up a cream polish than it is to dress down a special effect polish. Plus, you can transform cream polishes with special effect top coats, glitter top coats. It's much harder to dress down a special effect polish. Cream polishes don't have to be expensive, and they're basic, so they shouldn't be. I'd go to maximum $6 for a cream polish, for a good cream polish. I've paid way more for a cream polish and ended up finding a dupe for the exact same thing for less than a quarter of the price. I made a video of that, which I'll link down below. Okay, let's talk about the basics. You absolutely need a base coat, a top coat, acetone, a cleanup brush, cotton wool or cotton pads, or a polish remover of your choice. Lint-free are the best, but they can be expensive. Cuticle oil, a glass nail file. Check out my blog post with links to the products that I recommend. I'll link that down below. Some optional extras are a matte top coat, glitter top coat, and nail art stickers. With these products alone, you have exactly all you need to create amazing nail art in a small space. Now that you're set up, let's do some nail art. I'm going to show you how to use one color in 3 different ways. Stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, check out my beginner nail art series. Bye!